Here they come. Right over the Hattie.
Woo! It's go, 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 go time. Tick, tick, boom. Who bringing the noise? Go, baby, we bringing our toys. Separate men from the boys. Chopper be singing, should be on the voice. Bang, bang, we gon' ride out.
Those Fleet Week vibes. We got the Marinas. Start filling up here. Oh, and here comes another one. Coming on in. I think that means boat number 8 now for the Fleet Week. Pier 39 starting now. Get crowded. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boats coming today and yesterday.
Die out. Want it like this, ain't no timeouts. Tell me who really gon' find out. Rowdy. We get rowdy, rowdy. Rowdy. We get rowdy, rowdy. We be disturbing the peace. Working, we serving the streets. About to go hit, going beast. Bang, bang, leave you sleep. Tick, tick, boom. Hard body, and not scaring nobody. Your ignorant result to violence. You must be blind by the diamonds. I didn't want it to be this way, but y'all won't need to try this, so it's no way around it. You the loudest one is quiet. Rowdy, we get rowdy, rowdy. Rowdy, we get rowdy, rowdy. We be disturbing the peace. Working, we serving the streets. About to go hit, going beast. Bang, bang, leave you sleep. It's go, 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 go time. Tick, tick, boom. Let me introduce myself as KSB. Jump out. 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 Let me introduce myself as KSB.
All right, so we're exploring Fisherman's Wharf. That's kind of home camp, if you will, moving forward for Fleet Week. For those of you that are from the San Francisco Bay Area and the Greater Bay, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, throw down where you're from. But you guys also know that typically this has been over at the Marina Greens, and now they are moving things to Fisherman's Wharf.
A redesign of Fisherman's Wharf coming over the next 12 months. We're going to open up that boardwalk over there, open it up to the waterfront.
Renderings were released last month showing the new concept centered around a public plaza with picnic tables, public seating.
Yes, they are. End up playing against the Willie Hall team.
Can't stop me, so who gon' stop me? You can't stop me, so who gon' stop me? You can't stop me, so who gon' stop me? You can't stop me, so who gon' stop me? We be disturbing the peace, working, we serving the streets. About to go hit, going beast. Bang, bang, leave you sleep. It's go, 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 go time. Tick, tick, boom.
right, guys, we're coming at you. It's another day on the cruise out. I'd give you the day number, but it's getting confusing at this point. We got fun boats cruising in, cruising out. But we're about to go. Oh, hello, little buddy. Can we come aboard? Okay, we're about to go about.
I'm an artist.
We're
So weird.
yeah, Sarah, did you hear that? I'm about to board an artist boat.
Yeah. Despite me being an artist, he's willing to come aboard.
I am with a sexy boat like this. And what was the make, model, and year?
Tartan 3700.
So we got a Tartan 3700, so 37 feet.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Permission to board.
Permission granted.
All right. All right, little buddy. I'm coming aboard. We are aboard, guys. So what's the furthest you've sailed, or?
Half Moon Bay. So
Okay.
done that a few times.
And how was that?
Awesome.
Yeah.
Check out the aft cabin.
Okay, guys, so we'll give you a 360-degree tour on this 37-foot sailboat. Look at that master cockpit right there. Look at all these. And so she's 2 cabins, 3 cabins?
2.
Okay.
And out. There's the.
Oh yeah, that's nice. All right.
Wait, my pride and joy.
Oh, you even got a sink in here. Oh, that's cool, man. Oh, I love the sink. See, different views here. We got our little guy there. What's your little buddy's name?
Bailey.
Bailey.
Yeah.
Hello,
she's,
Bailey.
she's quite the sailor.
Bailey, I like your little baby life jacket. Good job, Bailey. You're doing a good job.
Are we live right now?
Yeah, well, we're recording, but we're not live. But
All
yeah.
right. I'm gonna brag a little bit.
Oh, we'd love that.
Okay. My DVD collection. Nobody has DVDs anymore.
Yeah, right?
But I even have a VHS player at my house. But hold on, you're going. Zoom in, see some of the titles.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
And then you go like,
Dan in real life.
that's whatever, right? No. There's more, bitch. Bam! Yeah.
Oh, Super 8. Inception. Is that 27 Dresses? What are you watching?
No, I'm an art major, so I'm like 30% feminine.
I like the Sideways. That's a good one.
All right, we are at Fog Harbor in San Francisco at Pier 39. We are doing a little clam chowder tasting. Let's see. Jared, how is the clam chowder here?
Honestly, it's delicious. They boast that it's the best in San Francisco.
Do you believe the menu?
I've had 2 other clam chowders on Pier 39, and it's better than one. The second one, I'm not sure, but this is very delicious.
All right. What do you really like about this one?
The flavor. It's creamy.
Nice.
The spices are right, and it's not too hot.
All right.
Potatoes done right.
And it's the white chowder I see, not the red. Okay, all right. We'll check back on the other clam chowder tastings, see how it goes. So Jared, we are at the Fog Harbor in San Francisco, and
I've got that lightning inside me, son of a god. I'm like a titan that's rising on just you watch. I'm stepping into fate, there is no time to waste. I've got that lightning inside me, this is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. I'm cranking up on the throttle, victory is mine. Show you the harder the battle, harder I fight. I've come too far to quit. Step back, I'm going in. I'm cranking up on the throttle. This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made.
right across the harbor.
This is how legends are made.
President Roosevelt Presidential Yacht.
Like iron from the fire, getting stronger. This is how legends are made. Above it all, untouchable, a new animal. This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. It's go, 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 go time. Tick, tick, boom. Who bringing the noise? Go, baby, we bringing our toys. Separate men from the boys. Chopper be singing, she'll be on the voice. Bang, bang, we gon' ride out. Gang, gang, we don't die out. Want it like this, ain't no timeouts. Tell me who really gon' find out.
Oh no. Can you do it one minute?
We be disturbing the peace. Working, we serving the streets. About to go ahead, going beast. Bang, bang, leave you sleep.
Fleet Fest 2025.
Hard body, and not scaring nobody. You make me resort to wildin'. You must be blind by the diamonds. I don't want it to be this way, but y'all won't need to try this. So it's no way around it. You the loudest one, it's going quiet. Peace. Working, we serving the streets. About to go ahead, going beast. Bang, bang, leave you sleep. It's go, 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 go time. Tick, tick, boom. You can't stop me, so who gon' stop me? You can't stop me, so who gon' stop me? You can't stop me, so who gon' stop me? You can't stop me, so who gon' stop me? We be disturbing the peace. Working, we serving the streets. About to go ahead, going beast. Bang, bang, leave you sleep. It's go, 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 go time. Tick, tick, boom.
Hey guys, here we are with Corey. He is a pilot with the Patriot Jet team. Corey, give us a couple tips about people or kids that want to become aviators.
Sure.
Or pilots.
I've been flying since I was 14. Actually took my first flight when I was 12, and then I soloed when I was 16, got my license when I was 17. My tip is to say yes to everything. Try to get involved at the airport. I used to wash and wax airplanes and clean hangars and do whatever I could do to get a little bit of flight time. And my parents didn't pay for it, so I had to figure out ways to do it. And I found out going to the airport, I usually got to wash and wax airplanes, and people would say, hey, do you want to go for a flight? And I'm like, sure. So I got to fly all the time by hanging out at the airport on the weekends. So if you could find a job working at the FBO or fueling or detailing airplanes, the rest of it will come. You'll make money. They don't pay that great for doing that, but you're going to get a lot of other flight times.